Welcome back to my channel. My name is Benny. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay. So today's video will be pretty much a dedicated eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these soft, fluffy looking brows and how you can also do that. If you're interested in seeing how I did it, please keep watching the video. Okay, so part of my face is already done. So I have foundation in, concealer, and also setting powder. So now I'm going to do my brows. These days I've been preferring to do my brows after foundation. Before I used to do it like before my foundation. I think it's just faster for me. Even when I'm working on a client, it's a lot faster to just do the brows after I'm done with skin work. What I use for my brows, obviously the staple brow pencils. I have these two. This is a regular brown pencil, and then this one is from Beauty Line by Diddy. My favorite pencil ever. A spoolie concealer, the Too Faced Born This Way shade Caramel. So first I'm just dusting the brows with some setting powder to remove excess oil which could have come from the foundation, and then I'm brushing the brow hair up with a spoolie and in the direction of growth. Next I'm using my regular brown pencil to just draw the lower line of the brow. I'm just using light strokes to avoid harsh lines, and I'm just gently carving the lower line of the brow. Next, I'm using my Beauty Line by Diddy pencil to just fill in parts of the brow which look scanty, and I'm using light upward strokes, and toward the end of the brow I'm using strokes in the direction of the hair growth and just following the shape of the natural shape of the brow. This is how the brow is looking now, and next I'm taking my concealer and this angled flat brush, and I'm just now going to outline the lower part of the brow, and I'm just lightly gliding this concealer below the line just to make it more defined, and doing this gently and lightly so that blending it out is going to be much easier, and then spreading the rest of the concealer on my eyelid. Next, I'm using this brush to just buff in the concealer into my skin to blend it out to the edges of the brow, and to match it into my skin I'm also pushing some of this upward to blend the brow. Next, I'm using the rest of the product on the angled flat brush without adding any, just to give a little bit of definition to the top, and then blending it out as well until it almost vanishes into the skin. Next, using the spoolie just to brush the brow hair upward to return the natural feel and look to the brow hair. This is how the brow is looking. I'm going to go ahead and do the second brow and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I finished up the second brow, and this is how the brows are looking. So I'm going to go ahead now and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll show you guys the entire look when I'm done. So this is the final look. I went with a really soft and neutral look to match the brows. So the last thing I'm going to do is just take this spoolie and refresh the brows, just to give it that natural full look, even though my brows are really scanty. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video really informative and helpful. I really like this brow style because it's much easier and it's quicker, and another thing is it doesn't involve too much symmetry, so you don't have to go about and carving the whole top all again and making sure that the brows are perfect. You can just pretty much work with what you have with this one. So I think I like how this look turned out. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about this brow style. If you've tried it, would you try it? Let me know all of that stuff in the comment section below. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, and also follow me on Instagram, which I'm going to link in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time,